Good morning, students. Today we are going to do a new topic of your English grammar book, which is your chapter 20, adverbs. Your topic is adverbs. Let's start. Now, what is adverb? Let's see with this example. I ate my dinner quickly. Sentence को ध्यान से देखिए. I ate my dinner quickly. Now, which is the action done in this sentence? कौन सा action हुआ? Ate, खाना. ठीक है. Action क्या हुआ इसमें? Ate, यानी कि खाना. तो कोई खा रहा है, लेकिन कैसे खा रहा है? बहुत जल्दी जल्दी खा रहा है. So here quickly is describing the action word ate. Quickly is describing the action word ate. Quickly किसको describe कर रहा है? Action word ate को, कि कोई खा रहा है, लेकिन कैसे खा रहा है? Quickly. So here quickly is the word which describe the action word, the word which describe the action word, which give meaning to a action word is said to be adverb. तो उसे adverb बोलते हैं हम. ठीक है. So next is, see the next one. Sam sees many puppies outside. Sam ने बाहर बहुत सारे puppies देखे. अभी इस सेंटेंस में ध्यान से देखो कि एक्शन क्या हुआ. एक्शन है सीज, मतलब देखना. तो देखा उसने. कहाँ देखा? उसने कहाँ देखा? बाहर देखा. क्योंकि जो वर्ड है वो हमेशा एक्शन वर्ड को डिस्क्राइब करता है इसमें एडवर्ब में. तो वो देख रहा है, लेकिन कहाँ देख रहा है? बाहर देख रहा है, आउटसाइड देख रहा है. तो यहाँ एक्शन वर्ड आपका सीज है और एडवर्ब है आपका आउटसाइड. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज माय फादर केम होम अर्ली. यहाँ पर क्या एक्शन हुआ इस सेंटेंस में कि मेरे फादर जल्दी घर आ गए. केम, आना. तो एक्शन वर्ड क्या है? केम है. लेकिन जो अर्ली वर्ड है वो एक्शन वर्ड को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है कि फादर आए, लेकिन कब आए? जल्दी आए. तो जो ये जल्दी वर्ड है ना, अर्ली, ये है आपका एडवर्ब. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड एडवर्ब बिकॉज अर्ली इज डिस्क्राइबिंग एक्शन. एक्शन डन कैसे हुआ? कि वो आया, लेकिन कैसे आया? अर्ली. तो अर्ली आपका है एडवर्ब. नेक्स्ट है बेटा, let's do the definition. An adverb is a word that tells us something more about a verb. ये हमें verb के बारे में जो है ज़्यादा खोलकर बताता है कि verb में verb हुआ, लेकिन कोई action हुआ, लेकिन कैसे हुआ. ठीक है. So an adverb is a word that tells us something more. It tells us something more about a verb. That is adverb. Adverb tells us how, where or when an action happens. Adverb हमें ये बताता है कि कोई एक्शन हुआ, कैसे हुआ, कब हुआ और कहाँ पे एक्शन हुआ. That is adverb. Okay. Now see, action, how, where, when, how often. Action take place, how the action take place, where the action take place, when the action take place, and how often the action take place. Now let's see with an example. Let's see with an example. Alarm rang loudly. The alarm rang loudly. Now here, see which is the action over here in this sentence. Which is your action? So your action is rang. This is your action to place rang. कि वो घड़ी जो है क्या हो रही है? वो बज रही है. लेकिन कैसे बज रही है? In which manner? Loudly. So loudly is your adverb. लेकिन adverbs के भी टाइप होते हैं. जब हम how की बात करते हैं, when we ask when we put the answer to a question कि how, कि कैसे हुआ, it means we are talking about adverb of manner. हम manner की बात कर रहे हैं कि वो अलार्म रैंग की, लेकिन कैसे रैंग की? how means loudly. So this is your adverb of manner. Means we are talking about adverb of manner. Now see the second sentence. Harry ran quickly. Which is your action? Ran. Ran is your action. Now how the Harry ran? Now here question is coming ki how the Harry ran. It means we are talking about a manner. In which manner Harry ran? manner. Okay. So next is your put the cake there. Now here, which is your action put, but where? Now here in previous sentence we were talking about how, in which manner. Now in this sentence I am talking about where. Put the cake where? There. So there is your adverb, but which adverb? Which type of? It's your adverb of place. We are talking about adverb of place. Put the cake where? When we talk about, when a question come in our mind, where, how, when, how often, it means we are talking about the types of adverb. Now here we are talking about where. There is your adverb of place. See the second sentence. I looked everywhere for my book. Now somebody is looking for his book everywhere. Okay. Now I look everywhere. Now here look is your action. Which is the action took place? Look एक action word है, लेकिन वो देख रहा है, कहाँ देख रहा है? Everywhere. Where? Everywhere. So everywhere is your adverb of place. Next type is your adverb of time. Now see the sentence. Kriti went to gym today. Now went is your action कि वो गई, कहाँ गई? Gym गई. Now when? कीर्ति जिम तो गई, लेकिन कब गई? When? Now question comes in our mind. When? How we have done? Where we have done? Now action. The question come in our mind. When? कब गई वो? Today. आज गई. So today is your adverb of time. It's a adverb, but which type of adverb? It is a adverb, but which type? Adverb of time. We are doing the types. Second sentence. They go out to dinner weekly. Now which action took place? Go out. वो बाहर गए, लेकिन कब गए? When? Question comes. When? Weekly. So weekly is your adverb of time. Now next is your how often. How often means that now we will talk about adverb of frequency. Now sometimes he play cricket. How often? How often? कि कभी कभार खेलता वो क्रिकेट. Sometimes he play cricket. It means we are talking about the adverb of frequency. Ritesh never smokes. How often? Never smokes. Okay. So this is your adverb of frequency. Now, adverbs describing another adverb. Now sometimes adverb describes some another adverb also. कई बार एक ही लाइन में दो adverb भी आ जाते हैं, जैसे the dancer moves so gracefully. Now in this sentence if you skip your so, अगर आप so को छोड़ दें तो sentence होगा the dancer moves gracefully. पूरा कंप्लीट सेंटेंस है, ग्रेसफुली आपका एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर है, लेकिन ग्रेसफुली तो है, लेकिन उसको और मीनिंग देने के लिए, उसको और मॉडिफाई करने के लिए हमने कौन सा वर्ड यूज किया? सो. तो ये आपके दो एडवर्ब हो गए, सो ग्रेसफुली. हियर द साइंटिस्ट क्वाइट इजीली सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. देखो क्वाइट को हटा दें तो आपका सेंटेंस कंप्लीट है. द साइंटिस्ट इजीली सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. साइंटिस्ट जो प्रॉब्लम को इजीली सॉल्व कर लेते हैं, लेकिन क्वाइट इजली बहुत अच्छे से वो सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. क्वाइट इजली, तो क्वाइट भी आपका एडवर्ब है और इजली भी आपका. एक ही सेंटेंस में दो एडवर्ब लगते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ वी डू द we have to circle the adverbs of manner in the following sentences. Okay. Let's do it. Okay, circle the adverbs of manner in the following sentence and you have to underline the verbs also. Let's see. First sentence, Jyoti ran fast. Now in this sentence, which action took place? Ran. Ran आपका action word है और जो ज्योति वो ran कर रही है, लेकिन किस manner में उसने ran किया? How Jyoti ran? Question comes straight away in your mind. How? So how fast? So fast is your adverb of manner. Fast is your adverb of manner. Clear? Now second is the child cried bitterly. Now which action took place in this sentence? Cried. कौन सा एक्शन हुआ? क्राइड, कोई रो रहा है, लेकिन कैसे रो रहा है? स्ट्रेट अवे द क्वेश्चन कम्स हाउ बिटरली, बहुत बुरी तरह से रो रहा है. सो दिस इज योर एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर, this is your adverb of manner and this is your action. So next is now next is circle the adverb of time and in the following sentences and underline the words. How you have to do it? We will go tomorrow. Now which is your action word in this sentence? Go. Go is your action word and when you will go? Question comes when? Answer is tomorrow. So this is your adverb of time. This is your adverb of time and this is your action word. Clear? Now next is they get up early. Now which is your action here? Get up. Get up is your action and when they get up? Early. So early is your adverb of time. Let's do the next one. Circle the verb of place in the following sentences and underline the verbs. Let's see this one. Please come here. Now which is your action? Come is your action in this sentence. Come. Now where? The question comes in your mind where. Please come. कहाँ पे आना है? Here. So here is your adverb of place. Adverb of place. Clear? Next is they are waiting outside. Now which is your action word? Somebody is waiting. Waiting is your action word. So where to wait? Outside. कहाँ पे wait करनी है? Outside. So outside is your adverb of place. Now last is your circle the adverb of frequency in the following sentences and underline the verbs. See, he went to the school daily. How often he went to the school? Daily. Okay. Now first of all we have to underline the action word. Action is your went and how often he went to school? Daily. So daily is your adverb of frequency. Next is we go to their house sometimes. Now we go to their house sometimes में action क्या हुआ? Go. And how often? Sometimes. So sometime is your adverb of frequency.